Hello folks, welcome to another edition of Take 5 Tuesday. This is the second in our Renaissance of Estate Planning edition. The thought process is that over the last decade or more, as estate tax exemptions have increased, the perception among the financial advice community has been that estate planning is not necessary or is not as important because we don't have estate tax issues for so many people. I think that this has created a void in that people are still getting older, they still care about their families, they're still accumulating wealth, and they still care about what happens to that wealth when they die. We have been so ingrained in estate tax planning as being estate planning that we've forgotten that what is far more important to most people is what happens with their wealth after they're gone, far less about how much estate tax they pay. So let's talk about this. What do clients care about? What are the things that will motivate them to plan? What are the things that are important to them? Remember that unlike some other things, estate planning involves everything the client owns and everyone they love. Everything they own and everyone they love. So we're talking a lifetime of savings, a lifetime of accumulation, a lifetime of loved ones, my children, my grandchildren, perhaps great-grandchildren, my siblings, my nieces, my nephews, perhaps the philanthropies that I care about. And what is it that most people are most concerned about when they think about leaving their assets? I think if you bother to ask, what most people are going to say is they want their money, their life savings, what has taken a lifetime to earn, to be meaningful, to have an impact, to benefit people in positive ways. Perhaps that's helping their children prepare for retirement. We know that so many Americans are woefully unprepared for retirement. Very few people have savings outside their house and their 401k. And for many people, what they can put into the 401k is not enough to support their retirement. So supplementing retirement might be important. Paying off debt. We know that many of our clients' children, grandchildren, have accumulated a lot of debt. And particularly in our current environment, with tens of millions of Americans being laid off, with people being unemployed or underemployed, that they are accumulating more debt. Perhaps it's simply a little nest egg, a little breathing room. I know when I inherited, that was one of the best things, is to just know that there was a little bit of extra, a little bit of fallback, a little bit of something in case something happens. In my case, that helped me be more entrepreneurial, to take a little bit more entrepreneurial risk. For others, it might simply be the comfort of knowing they have something to fall back on. The point is to engage your clients in a conversation about these issues. Help them think about what is important to them. What is it that they would like to see their inheritance do or produce? Some clients will cover it with, oh, I don't care, I'll be dead, it doesn't matter. But engage them in that conversation. I think you'll find it does. Ask them, will it upset them if it's lost to a divorce? If it's lost to a long-term care spend down or Medicaid spend down, if it's lost to a creditor? I think you'll find that most people will say yes. These are all things that we can address. We can help people have access to funds, protect them from divorce, protect them from creditors. In the next session, we'll talk a little bit more about how. What I want you to think about is, are you discussing these issues with your clients? And if you're not, is it not perhaps time to do so? Thanks a lot. We'll be talking to you soon. In the meantime, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and take care of your clients. Thank you.